let's practice the beginning sounds.
The name of this letter is A. This is big letter A. This is small letter A. The sound of this letter is A, like the beginning sound of alligator. A, alligator. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning A sound. Ambulance. Ambulance. Antelope. Antelope. Anchor. Anchor. Axe. Axe. Avocado. Avocado. Apple. Apple. Very good. Now you know the sound of letter A is A, as in alligator. The name of this letter is E. This is big letter E. This is small letter E. The sound of this letter is E, like the beginning sound of elephant. E, elephant. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning E sound. Egg. Egg. Eskimo. Eskimo. Escalator. Escalator. Elbow. Elbow. It's all good. Now you know the sound of letter E is E. The name of this letter is I. This is big letter I. This is small letter I. The sound of this letter is E, like the beginning sound of iguana. E, iguana. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning E sound. Indian. Indian. Injection. Injection. Igloo. Igloo. Insect. Insect. Keep going. The name of this letter is O. This is big letter O. This is a small letter O. The sound of this letter is A, like the beginning sound of ostrich. A, ostrich. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning A sound. Organ. Organ. Olives. Olives. Octopus. Octopus. Orange. Orange. Awesome! Now you know the sound of letter O is A, as in ostrich. The name of this letter is U. This is big letter U. This is small letter U. The sound of this letter is A, like the beginning sound of umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. Let's listen to the beginning sound of each word. Circle the beginning A sound. Undershirt. Undershirt. Underground. Underground. Underwear. Underwear. Upstairs. Upstairs. You're brilliant! Now you know the sound of letter U is A,